This is the story of Bart, a messy guy who locked himself inside for 2 weeks and organized all his stuff, from big to small. We asked him how it went.
Bynder asked me to organize my stuff inspired by the way Bynder organizes your files online, and that was a good starting point for me because files, you can really categorize them in different ways as well. Like you can get them like on the name, on the file type, and the size. Like you can play around with it. If you translate that to the physical world, then it's kind of magical. And I want kind of to show this magic in like how to categorize your things. I looked in my house and I realized that I have a lot of stuff and also a lot of weird stuff.
It's so messy in here. Can someone please help me?
It's very rock and roll to have a bathtub in your living room. This is my pens.
Was it actually helpful to organize the pens?
Will he be up for the task?
Gray. These are actually the same. Where does brown go? It's really hard. Oh.
I think I'm gonna keep it like this.
Yeah!
I thought I was gonna keep it like that, but it was I put them back in the crate. It was definitely fun to do. I do know more about what I have.
Found out I've got lots of balls.
My dog and me. It's good to display your stuff a little bit. That could be a good advice. I think enjoy what you have, because it's nice to once in a while get all that stuff and like put it somewhere nice so you can look at it for a couple months and then you pick other stuff to look at. So if you want to organize really big files in your computer, then that's not a problem. It's the same as with small files. But if you go with if you want to organize your chairs, that feels like, it feels really scary because they can fall down. Also a bit scary because that's where my cat lost his leg. Yeah. Well, it was definitely fun to see them all stacked on top of each other. It was cool to we had Saturday night, invited some friends, and we ordered the most expensive pizza of Amsterdam. 8 different kind of pizza, all pepperoni. That was kind of exciting. It was really fun to see, like, at one moment there was 4 delivery guys at the same time at my door. These guys were looking like, eh? Alright. One time I let myself go out for one day to the
Park, baby.
That was really exciting to kind of go crazy with the organizing.
Okay guys, male ducks here. Yes, you, that's good. White ducks to the front. Pigeons you get out.
What was also fun, as the grand finale, I decided to organize everything in the house by color. So we put everything in one side of the room. That was really tough, and I wouldn't recommend anyone to do this because I'm probably the least organized man in Amsterdam. If people have been in my house before and they see stuff on Instagram or I tell them about the project, and they say like, okay, great Bart, you're finally cleaning it up. Like, no, it's the opposite. It's like it's totally exploded because I have all my stuff and now like putting my whole house upside down in this project. But it's good you have, the camera only faces one way.
Join us on our quest to get organized and get creative. Use the hashtag #ArtOfOrganizing and stay tuned on bynder.com/art.
Oh. You're happy now, Jason. Oh.